alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start the session with your questions today. So, aside from the awakening journey, there were journeys that were filled up with health challenges, and the ones also where someone had lost their loved one. To see these collectively, grouping them under the topic grief seemed better, so I could address them just in under one question. And that was, does Surah Fatiha helps one in overcoming grief? I must start with saying that it is a source of comfort in such times. Losing a loved one or facing health challenges or any kind of challenges is tough and feels really heavy. So, in order to make you understand the benefits of reciting Surah Fatiha, I have split it down to ayat till where we have done so far. So next time when you feel this way in grief, or you feel sad about anything, or you feel you have an anxiety regarding anything, recite Surah Al-Fatiha with the intention of mind shift as soon as you start reading Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And as you reach Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, remind yourself that your loved one is in Allah's mercy. Or if it is regarding any challenge that you are facing, then make yourself sure about it that Allah knows that what you are going through, and that Allah never puts a burden on a soul which it cannot bear. He is merciful enough, the most merciful, the most compassionate. When you recite Maliki Yawmiddin, remind yourself that life and death are in His hands only. And if it is regarding health or any other kind of challenge that you're facing, tell yourself that this is going to be temporary, just like this life. And soon Allah is going to solve your affairs. Honestly speaking, this all doesn't relieve you of pain, but it eases the sorrow that you are in. Because when you recite Ihdina as-Siraat al-Mustaqeem, it is a way, a method to ask His help to heal in a way that brings you closer to Allah. So overall, this surah keeps you in comfort as you feel connected to someone you have lost, because it's a way to send blessings to them, and that Allah sees your pain and He is guiding you through it. Hope this answered many queries covering this area. Moving to the next question. Does guidance manifest uniquely for different people? Perhaps a very good question. Here I would just like to say that just look at prophetic examples. All the prophets came with one single message, with one single path, right? But all of them had their own unique experience, with their journeys being different and even their tempers. So yes, each individual has their own unique way to receive guidance and then interpret it based on their own circumstances, cultures, and experiences. For example, if we take guidance, people may have different experiences regarding different mentors. In even taking that guidance, they might have different mentors. I might have a different mentor and you might have a different mentor, right? Even if we are on the same path of getting guided, we both can have different personal reflections on what we are perceiving. And even our challenges might differ. I might have a different type of challenge, you might have a different type of challenge, yet our journeys are same. The point here is that our individual journeys shape our faith and self improvement. But the communal aspect over here, uh, and I must say the most beautiful part of this ayat today, is how collective wisdom, scholars, and community support helps refine our understanding of straight path. The concept of recognizing that while our journeys are different from each other, our ultimate goal remains the same. And that's a beautiful way to say that there's a unity in diversity. So, hope this question is also answered well. So, as you move forward in your journey, reflect, how does guidance show up in your life? How can you help others to be on the straight path? So let's end this with a prayer. Allahumma ya muqallibul qulub, sabbit qalbi ala dinik. Ameen. That is it for today. Inshallah, see you tomorrow, which is the last day of this boot camp. Allah Hafiz and fi amanillah.